Yes, I need a new phone case. Not for this phone. For this phone. Okay, my idea here is to paint something that is the opposite of a phone, like a book or several books. I just don't know where I can find the right reference. Fortunately, I have here some beautiful old books that I can use as reference. Look how shiny they are. Okay, I have another one somewhere, like this one, and also this one. Okay, now I just need a black phone case. My canvas, if you will. Here it is. Perfect. I will just put some tape around it to mask. Yep. Let's begin. If you want, you can follow along. Just grab a piece of paper, and I'm using acrylic markers because they work better in surfaces like this, but you can use whatever you want. Okay, let's draw our shelves first. I'm afraid. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm a little afraid of making mistakes. I will warm up a little bit just by drawing random things here to relax my hand. It's easy. Nothing's gonna happen. There's nothing to be afraid of. Back to our canvas. Yeah, this was supposed to be a relaxing drawing session, but things are not working already. Because as you can see there, these acrylic markers are not working so well in this silicone case. So I have a decision to make. I can buy another phone case or try to do in this one. See what happens. I will wait for these paints to dry and see if it will look better. Wish me luck. I'm sweating. It even started to rain outside. I guess this will work. I just have to be extra careful and don't let the paint drip. So it's going to be harder than I imagined. But that's good, it will make the video more interesting. Okay, let's draw the other shelves. And I'm not using a ruler here, because I'm a trained professional. That doesn't mean that I'm not afraid of messing up. That's basically all I'm thinking right now. Okay, let's roughly do it like this, then wait for it to dry, then I can refine it a little bit more. Because I noticed in the first shelf that when the paint dries, it's easier to go on top and refine it. I think not everything is lost. And the cool thing about it is that I will replicate this phone case. So it won't be just this edition. And I will do that using Printful. So I can take a picture of this design, load it on Printful, so I plan to put it on my store and sell it. I decided to do this because I told people that I was doing a video about painting a phone case. And I said I will paint a bookshelf. And everybody was like, I want one. Actually, it was just 2 people. Now I know I can sell it and make a profit. I will teach you in a moment how you can do the same, not only with phone cases, but with a lot of different products. This year I've been talking a lot about Printful in this channel, and it's great to have a sponsor like this that genuinely helps artists. Okay, now let's go to the details. And after that, it's just a matter of putting the objects on the shelves. And this is the part where I look at my reference to see the details on my real books here. I have an iPhone, I guess it's the 15. It's the 15. And I know that right now it's like in the 27 edition. But I don't understand why you need something more than this. Like they release these phones every year, but for who? I think people should be focusing more on fixing problems we already have. Like, have you tried to look for a show or a film in your TV with your remote? It takes 10 minutes for you to find all the letters in that weird keyboard. I want to see someone doing something about that before releasing a new phone. The good thing is that I'm not so afraid of messing up anymore. Because if something goes wrong, I can always fix it. Unless something goes terribly wrong. I guess I shouldn't say that. I'm trying to act more excited, like YouTuber excited. But now I understand why Bob Ross is so calm in his videos, because it's hard to like be when you are painting. Because painting is like a relaxing thing. It's something that you have to be calm to do it, even when everything seems to be going wrong. So that's why I'm not in crazy YouTuber mode every time. I think now I can draw some plants. Good thing is that I have reference right here. And the cool thing about loading these designs on Printful later is that they will work not only for a phone case for the iPhone 15, which is mine, but the cover will also work for other phones. So that's a cool way I can replicate my design. I can even put this on other products like t-shirts, tote bags, and many other things. Here it is. Silicone was not the best material to choose, but we made it work. Now I can take off the tape, take a picture and load it on Printful, so we can reproduce this design as many times as we want and in several different phone cases. Oh, I almost forgot to show you how it looks like. Here it is. Cool, right? Okay, it's still raining and I'm still with this stupid tropical shirt, but I just took a picture of my design here and now I will load it on Printful. So go to printful.com and here we will find the phone cases, which are here. I will choose this tough case for iPhone, but we also have for Samsung and other kinds of phones. Okay, let's go start design. So how Printful works and why it's so helpful for artists. I can load the design of my phone case here and I basically can print this design on new phone cases and sell it. And it's very easy. I just did it very quick. And we have a lot of different models here from iPhone 11 to iPhone 17. And also the Samsung models. And the cool thing about it is that now I will put it up for sale and basically I didn't spend any money to do that. So you can start selling and promoting your designs and only after someone orders something, it's when the platform charges you. So it's a win-win situation. Let's see some of the mock-ups here. Since I did the design directly on a phone case, the design worked perfectly. I didn't have to adjust almost anything. So that's what print on demand means. The products here will only get made when there's a demand for it. That way you don't need to make products for yourself, you don't need to do the package, you don't need to ship it. Everything is taken care of by the platform. Then you can connect to your store, that being Shopify, Etsy, Squarespace, Amazon, and a lot of other services that provide online stores. Now it's just a matter of promoting and selling. I have a lot of other products here. I have aprons, t-shirts, hoodies, framed posters, and I didn't spend any money to do any of these products. So make sure to check out Printful. They make the life of artists a lot easier and profitable. So if you are tired of being an artist just as a hobby, this is a great opportunity to help you become a professional. So go to printful.com and check out for yourself. It's a great tool. Hello? It's time to end the video. Okay, bye. So, thanks to Printful for sponsoring this video. A lot of people that watch this channel are not subscribed. I believe it's like 99% of the people. So make sure to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss the next video. If you like my art style and want to do something similar for yourself or learn how I do it, I have a course that teaches exactly that, how to create your art style from scratch. Or even if you have an art style, how to evolve that to something even better. Link in the description. If you want to support the channel, you can click the join button and become a member of my secret party. I share a lot of cool stuff with my members. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. I will put a normal shirt now.